Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I installed these side steps on my Land Rover Defender 90 X Dynamic. I put the link to the side steps that I ordered from Amazon in the description. The box arrived in good condition and as you can see it was very well packed. And here's a look at everything that came in the box. There are 2 side rails, the mounting brackets, and the hardware kit. So I'm going to start with installing the side step on the passenger side of the vehicle. So I have here what came with the kit, which was the side rail, a couple of brackets, and some hardware. Now in addition, I'm going to need some Loctite glue, a marker to mark where I'm going to cut, something to cut with. I have a razor, tape measure, a ratchet, and 3 sockets. I have the 10, 13, and 17 millimeter. All right, so let's get started. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is measure where you're going to mark for your cuts. So you're going to start at the end of the jack lift point and measure up to 20.5 to make your first mark. And your second mark is going to be at the 25-inch mark. And then you're going to make a box around your area, and I'll show you just like this. Now from your rear jack lift point, you are going to measure 10.25 and mark that. And then 14.5. And then draw a box around it like this. Now you need to grab your cutting tool and cut out those boxed areas that you've marked. Okay, just pulling that right off. And as you can see, there's a second layer of cardboard felt-like material that needs to be cut through. Okay, so I've got that felt-like material cut through, and this is where one of your brackets are going to be mounted. And as you can see, there are 2 bolt areas. One has a bolt in it, and that one needs to be removed. The other one is empty. Now I'm going to remove that 13 millimeter bolt that is in that hole. Now the kit did not come with any lock washers, so for extra security that they stay in place, I am going to add some blue Loctite. Just going to put it right here on the end of the bolts. So now I've got the bracket and 2 17 millimeter bolts, and I'm going to install the bracket. So I've got the bracket installed. Now I didn't install the additional side bolts that came with the kit because that would require removing the molding and it's not really needed. Here's what it looks like with the 2 bolts in place. Okay, now I'm repeating the process for the front bracket. got that pulled out. Okay, so just finishing cutting through that cardboard felt type area. Okay, so now over here, there are 2 bolts that need to be removed. Okay, 1 bolt. And the 2nd bolt. So now I'm going to put some blue Loctite on these 2 17mm bolts. And go ahead and install those with the bracket. Okay, nice and tight. So both of the brackets are now installed, and I'm now ready to install the side step. Now I'm going to install the side step onto these brackets. Line up the holes, these two. So I'm going to just set it on and then grab my bolts. Okay, so I've just about got that last bolt tightened in. Now, in order to adjust and align everything, you might have to loosen some of the bolts and then retighten them to adjust them accordingly. So let's test it out. This is what it looks like. And it feels pretty sturdy. Definitely much easier getting in now. So I'm going to repeat the process on the driver's side. So I hope you enjoyed this video of the installation of the side step on my Defender. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in more videos. Bye for now.